How to fix Apple ID phone number verification error. Whether it's not receiving the verification code, saying number not valid, or stuck verifying, then here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix. So first of all, you need to check your internet connection. Verification requires a stable internet connection, so make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is on and working. You can also open My Safari and visit any website to confirm if it's working or loading. Then restart your router or connect your Wi-Fi. Once done, you need to simply open up your settings from your home screen. And once inside the settings, tap on your name or your Apple ID at the top, and then tap on Sign In and Security button available in here. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is simply check or re-enter your phone number. You can see the phone number option available. If you have already added the wrong number, then you can remove it and then add it again. Or if you do have any phone number available, then simply add a new one. After that, you can go back to your settings again. And this time you need to scroll down General section, tap on General. And then all the way to the bottom, you will have Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on it. And then you need to tap on Reset, which will be in the bottom, and go with Reset All Settings. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.